In this video, I am going to show you how you can make your brightness even lower in Windows 11. So for this, you have to search for settings in the start option, and after clicking on the settings, you have to go to the system option from the left side and click on the display option from here. And here in the brightness option, you can easily decrease or increase the brightness of your computer, and you need to keep it in mind that from the drop down box of the brightness option, you have to turn it off the option of change brightness based on content. And also, if you want to make your screen more darker, then you have to go to the night light option and turn it on, and then click on the drop down box here, and from here you can easily increase or decrease the strength of this brightness level. So that's how you can easily increase or decrease your brightness from settings. And if you want to decrease the brightness in your web page, then you have to install an extension named dimmer, and from the Chrome extension store, and then after installing it you have to turn it on. You can see here is the option of dimmer off. You need to turn it on, and if you increase or decrease it, it will change the brightness accordingly. So that's how you can easily increase or decrease your brightness in Windows 11. Thank you very much for watching this video.